Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make money on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can actually make money on YouTube. So the very first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make a YouTube channel, obviously, because if you want to make money on YouTube and you don't have a YouTube channel, you're not going to make money on YouTube. So you can do a YouTube channel about anything that you that you want to do, but there are some things that are going to make you more money than other things. For example, if you're making just vlogs and things like that, showing you around like your house and things like that, it's going to be a lot harder for you to actually make real money. Yes, you're going to be able to make some AdSense money, which we're going to talk about later on in this video, but you know, for actually like making the real money, it's going to be extremely hard because people are less connected to you if you just have like a YouTube channel like that. And most of the people that actually do this are broke, believe it or not, unless they have like millions of subscribers. But that's another topic, which actually is not really another topic. I'm going to talk about it right now. Is when you have like such a large audience, like, you know, vlogging, then you're going to be able to get a lot more people that are going to be able to watch your videos. But you know, the people that actually watch your videos are less likely to spend some money with you. So some other things that you could go into are, you know, teaching people things, like maybe you know how to, you know, edit videos, because if you make a YouTube channel, there's a good chance that you know how to edit videos. Maybe you're good at Photoshop, you can teach people about that. Maybe you're good at cooking, maybe you're good at, you know, repairing cars, and, you know, I'm starting to go in all the topics that I always talk about, but you get the idea. You could talk about anything that you know. Like, believe it or not, a lot of people are willing to you know, learn about that. So, you know, whether it's editing, whether it's doing something completely different, then you are going to be able to make a lot more money like that, because you're actually bringing value to people and helping them out. Because if you do a prank channel, it's just like vlogging, it's going to be like a lot harder to make some real money. Obviously, you are going to get into AdSense money, which we're going to talk about right now. So AdSense is what most people think is the only way to make money on YouTube, which is absolutely not. It's quite a good, like, a lot of people think that it's like nothing, but it's actually, you know, you could get quite a bit of money, but that really depends on your niche. So again, if you do vlogging or a prank channel, you're going to be able to get a lot more viewers, and that way you're going to be able to get more money that way. But if you do something in business or things like that, then you're going to get less viewers, but you're also going to get a lot more money per 1,000 views, because, you know, people are willing to spend that much more money with you because your audience is targeted, because it's people that want to learn business, plus they have high ticket offers, so they could afford to pay YouTube a lot more money, because, you know, if they sell one product, then it's 1,000, 2,000, or, you know, now $9,000, or depending on what product that is. But usually it's quite a high commission, you know, quite a high income that way. So if they sell a course, they're going to get a lot more money. But if they're trying to sell something for a prank channel, it's going to be a lot harder to target anyone, because like that audience is all over the place. So if you have something that you're really teaching, and that goes the same if you're doing like teaching people about editing videos, they're going to sell you things about editing videos. So this is, you know, how you can make money, like the easiest way to make money once you get to, I think it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which, you know, sounds like quite a lot, and I don't have 1,000 subscribers, but 4,000 hours of watch time is really not that big of a deal if you consistently make videos. Now keep in mind that you don't have to show your face on camera. Even if you're showing how to edit videos, you can show your screen, or, you know, showing cooking, you can show whatever you're cooking, or repairing cars, it's exactly the same. So don't worry if you don't want to show your face. However, if you do show your face, people are more likely to get connected with you. So one other way to actually make money on YouTube is to, you know, create your own products. So you see all these like YouTubers that have, you know, a shop where they sell merch like t-shirts and things like that. That's a very good way to make money, like, in a sense, because, you know, some people are really going to be raging fans and they're going to be loving to actually buy something from you. So if you sell t-shirts and things like that, that can help, especially if you're doing a vlogging channel or something along those lines. If you're teaching, there's another way to do this, and that is to build a course. I haven't done that yet. However, you know, if you sell a course for $1,000 and you sell 1,000 courses, you know, you're making $1 million. So, you know, it's like, you really have to think about that way as well, because, you know, you might not sell 1,000 courses, but, you know, it can be a very big income skill, and a lot of people that are teaching things on the internet are making more money from their courses than whatever they're teaching. And that's alright, because if they have a certain like knowledge about something, there's no reason why, you know, they can't get paid, and maybe even more than what they were doing in the past, like editing videos, which, you know, doesn't necessarily make a lot of money unless you're teaching it. So that is a good way to do it. The next way is, I believe, like the easiest way that I feel is well, not the easiest way, but the best way in my opinion, and that's affiliate marketing. The reason why I say it's the easiest way or the best way is because you don't have to deal with customer support. If you do Shopify, if you've done this before, you know that you're going to get like bombarded with emails from customers asking where the package is and all that stuff. Affiliate marketing, you don't have any of that because the company takes charge. You don't have to ship the order either because, you know, you're not the company, because everything is, all you're doing is basically sending a customer somewhere and you're getting money. That's it. There's not much more to it, so all you do is that. Now, it does sound simple, but you will have to make some, you know, proper videos and things like that to actually, you know, enhance your customer to, you know, get used to your product as well, and that can help you, you know, make some sales, because otherwise it's going to be very, very hard if you just make one video and tell people just go there because, you know, that's the way it is. But if you really make consistent videos, then you're going to be able to sell some products to your customer. So always sell a product that you really believe in. So maybe, you know, it has to be in your niche. Don't sell something that's completely different from what you're talking about. For instance, I promote Builderall because I use Builderall to build sales funnels. But, you know, that's what people need when they're building an online business. So if you promote something completely different, you're never going to make a sale. But if you sell something that you really need, then that way you're going to be able to get, you know, sales a lot easier, and that is, in my opinion, the best way to do this. Now, there are about 1 million different ways to make money on YouTube, which, you know, a lot of them are quite good, but these are, in my opinion, the best ways to actually make money online. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.